Day 24 of the bloom cycle. Today we fertilize. We use 1/2 tablespoon to a gallon of water still. And we'll take a pH reading on that today. (1070) minus the 200, about 800 parts per million. And that's what we're going to roll. (800 parts per million is good for the first month. Then we're at 800 parts per million. We're not pushing the plants at all. Today is the 4th fertilization of the bloom cycle. Day 99 of this indoor grow. We're on day 26 of the bloom cycle. We've added our drop of pH down, and we're going to water with 3 gallons of water. And that'll be it for day 26. Okay, we're on day 39. The plants, they're plenty green. They could have been transplanted 5 days ago, no problem. So we'll fill up the buckets. We'll start transplanting them now. We haven't had the soil. What we want to do is lightly aerate the roots. And make sure you aerate them. You don't want to tear them apart. Just lightly tear the roots off of the edges and around the sides. You will tear some roots for sure. And there we have it. Our first one's transplanted. That easy. put the soil right over the top of the plant roots. So you want a light coating over the top of the soil. Not much, 1/4 inch. And these can definitely be larger planter pots. They can be 4 inch. I believe these are 3 inch. So you'll need 3 of those bags and then you'll be covered for your 6 plants. We need to get a few more bags. We want to have some extra. So we got to go to the store.